Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to go over how to create some assets in a map for a scenario. Specifically how to create locations selected in higher lighted regions. To get started we're going to zoom down to an area of interest here. So we'll go down to the New Jersey coast. To see a better detail of the different cities there that we're going to highlight, I'm going to click on Bing Maps here. And now what we're going to do is place some locations, specifically maybe highlight the locations of the cities with a risk of coastal flooding. So we can go here in our tool menu, select marker tool, and then zoom down. Let's say we start with Avalon here. Click on Avalon. So again, let you select when that location and asset will be made visible in a scenario. So for now, we'll just leave that as a default. And it brings up the attribute editor. We can change the attributes for that location and do the same thing, let's say for Ocean City. Surf City over here. And right here in Long Branch. So now we have 4 locations highlighted all along the New Jersey coast. Let's say we want to highlight the entire coastal area that is susceptible to flooding. We can use the Polygon tool to draw a polygon shape like this all along the coast. Don't have to be too precise, as we can add and edit the points afterwards. So we can just double click to close that shape. Again, it will let you select the time range. You can change coloring here. And if we needed to edit that shape, just go into edit feature, zoom down. It will snap to the points that we created, or we can go in between those points and make it more granular, like so. And we can also create radiuses of areas. So you can click on the circle tool. Let's say we want to highlight Delaware Bay and a radius of flooding from that area. So we can do that. Draw out the radius. Again, change the color property. Do the same thing in Raritan Bay. Second click expands out how big the radius is. So now we have kind of a story here along the New Jersey coast. You can also go back and edit some properties of locations, assign labels, like if you wanted that to come up on the map. And of course we can just click to preview that in 3D mode. Or if we wanted to go into the viewer, do that as well. Scrub the timeline. Again, we can change that to Bing Maps to show more. Here we are. And last thing I want to show here is just that we can also jump back to Builder here. We can select entire regions. So let's say we wanted to go down here and select the Bahamas and click, or Cuba. Click here and select entire countries. So again, you can see that here. So we have Dominican Republic, Cuba, and our other assets in this scenario. So that covers how to create the different assets for our map. Thank you, and talk soon.